Hello, my name is Diana Delgado. This is my Festivities in Colombia, the Flower Festival. The Flower Fair is a festival held in Medellin, Antioquia. This festival takes place every year during the first 2 weeks of August and lasts about 10 days. The main attraction is the Silloteros parade. This parade gives the Silloteros the opportunity to show their incredible work made with flowers to the public. Another tourist attraction. Another tourist attraction during this festival is the flower exhibition at the Botanical Garden of Medellin and the parade of all cars. Typical of the fair, there are also many other types of events that take place during the festival, such as typical dance shows, traditional food, visiting tourist cities such as the Pueblito Paisa, among other things. Clothes. The people at the fair are usually very cheerful and nosy. The participants of the fair are characterized by wearing typical peasant costumes: shirt, skirt, hat, espadrilles, carriel, scarf. The washer. The washer during the fair tends to be varied, with sunny days and rainy days. Food and drinks. Paisa fry, arepa, guarapo, chicharrón, liquor. Finish. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.